4 out of every 5 CPS complaints turn out to be false accusations. As a former prosecutor and criminal defense attorney, I have had an occasion to sit in on countless CPS cases. Given the fact that there are so many false CPS accusations filed against individuals, it's even more important that you understand what your rights are and have a game plan if a social worker comes knocking at your door. If a social worker comes knocking on your door, do not let them in unless they have a signed order from a judge. Many people mistakenly believe that if they just talk to that worker, things will go much more smoothly. Everything you say to that worker, and sometimes things you don't say to that worker, will wind up in a report, and you will be forced to defend that report if that worker decides to remove your kids and take you to court. Oftentimes, a false allegation is generated by a parent, a grandparent, an in-law, or someone else that wants to see you suffer. Number 2, the best thing you can do is talk to your kids and let them know that something's going on and that sooner or later an adult will speak to them about the family. Tell your kids to be truthful and honest. Above all, do not tell them what to say, because eventually your case might wind up in court, and if you're coaching your kids, that makes you look bad. And number 3, don't be talked into admitting or stipulating to any of the violations that are contained in that report. Any admissions or any stipulations to the facts contained in that worker's report could be the death nail in your case. Oftentimes, a prosecutor or an advocate will talk you into pleading to a lesser charge just to get the case over with so you can move on with your life. That's what they'll tell you. And after your hearing, you can explore legal action against those individuals that filed those false CPS claims. Some states also allow for criminal prosecution against any individual that files a false CPS allegation. If you